Say? Yeah. Hi everybody. Yeah, it's Wednesday night, 10 to 9. Guess what? Diane's just nearly fainted. Like I said, it's 10 to 9 at night, and I said to her, "Do you want a cup of tea?" And she nearly fell off the settee with fainting. So I've come in the kitchen to make her a cup of tea. Yeah. Well, I do look after my woman, don't I, everybody? Yeah. I do it once in a blue moon. No, because when we go away at the weekend, we'll be going away for 4 nights. And every morning I will get up, you know, from our videos, and I make her a cup of tea. So there. Right. I'm going to pour this tea out now. I'm going to take it in, and I can show you when I'm in there. See you lot in a bit. Yeah, just brought the tea in, handed it to her, and then she flipping moans at me.
You didn't pass it me the right way, it was red hot. He didn't give me the handle part.
Oh, and when she brings mine in, she doesn't. What is it?
You know what he said? I've got my camera in my pocket. What's that got to do with it? You can have a cup in each
They
hand.
want it to fall out.
They won't fall out. Push it right down. You got a cup
They're
in each
falling
hand.
out. They're not that deep a pocket. Look, she's flipping ungrateful, isn't she, everybody? I go in there. I make her a cup of tea when I should be sat down here relaxing, and all she does is flipping moan at me. Yeah. This is why I don't make her a cup of tea, everybody. You tell her. You lot out there. Tell her in the comments. All right?
Do you know when I bring cups of tea in? You've seen I can carry 2 cups of tea in one hand and bring you a packet of biscuits. Yes, a full packet of custard cream. So don't lie and get out of that one bottle.
I only ate 2 of them though, everybody. Right, gonna leave that there, right? Because we're watching television now. But yeah, how ungrateful can you get, everybody? So how ungrateful, eh? And then she's flipping moans at me. So there we go. You lot agree with me? Tell her off in the comments.
No, don't tell me.
Right, we'll see you all soon.
Hey up everybody, this is a new video. I've been to Morrison's. I know I don't normally go to Morrison's, but it was the quickest one to go to, and I couldn't be asked to walk around to Lidl's. How lazy is that? But hey, I didn't need a lot of stuff. I think I spent, what did I spend? I got my receipt here. I spent 55 quid because we're going away tomorrow. I went to just get some bits, that's all. But it's gone to 55. No, it didn't. 59. 59 pounds, eh? I'll show you what I've got. There's a cottage cheese, some beetroot, some salad stuff, all that lot. You know what all the salad stuff is all about, don't you? Got some of this because I like this with a few crackers. That cheese one with prawns. It's on offer, £1.25. Some egg mayo, some more cheese, some Dairy Dunkers, some bread. Some of them pitters, and with them pitters, I'm going to have some of this. I've not seen this before. You must top with confit, garlic and herbs. So, look at that. Is that garlic on top? That's chunky, isn't it? So it's the best. So I'm going to have some of that, some of that bread. Some more of that sourdough bread, Warburton's, and it's a softer one this time. The other one's a bit harder, sourdough. So I'll take that with me. Some cobs to take, some sausages to take, some bacon to take, some ready meals to take, and just bang them in the microwave. Some eggs to take. I think that's it all really to take. We run out of hotels. It's tough. We'll starve. No, we're not. We'll just buy some hotels. You know what it's like, don't you, people? What did I get here? I do like this though. These are nice. I've got myself a couple of them. 2 con carnes. Bang them in the oven. Bang them in the microwave if you want. There's one thing, you don't want to be standing in a motorhome when you're on holiday cooking loads of snap, do you, over the cooker? No. It's not no. I'm not. I'm on holiday now. I'll be on holiday. I'm not standing around cooking all day. I'll be eating out and stuff. I'll something stuck to that. We'll have stuff to eat out, like fish and chips and stuff, no doubt. But hey. Anyway, that's it. Here's all my hoard. Not much of an hoard for £55, but you know, what do you want? He's waiting again because he thinks I've got something in my bag. Can let me just give him a biscuit. Come on, Milo, what do you want? I'll get you one of these sticky things. Do you want one of these sticky things? Give you half because you'll no doubt want another off later. Sit. And don't snatch it. Don't take your fingers off. There, good lad. Off you go. Right, so that's it. I'm going to pour all this stuff away now. Get myself something to eat because what time's that? I went out late today. What time is it now? It's 1 o'clock. I think I went out about 11:30. So anyway, that's it. So I'll go off and talk to you all later. Ta-ra.
Morning everyone. Yeah, it's now 9:20. I got up about 9 o'clock, had a coffee. We're going to start getting ready in a bit because we're going away.
6:30.
6:30?
Yes.
Flipping it.
Sharp for 7.
Sorry?
Sorted. Off to 6:30. Had something to eat, had some toast and a drink. And all sorted for 7 o'clock. Nice. I'm dressed, you're on your scruffs.
Yeah, I'm in my scruffs. I'm going up in about 10 minutes to get dressed. You don't want to come with me on that, no way. Right,
All I've got to do is put some food stuff in the bag and out of the fridge. That can be last.
do you mind, woman? I'm trying to talk here and do a vlog, alright? She keeps interrupting me.
What are you saying then?
So, that we're going away today to a nice spot with some great friends. We're going to take you with us. And we're going to show you around and show you what we get up to on that time away. Milo's there. He knows there's something going on, but he doesn't know what.
You know the bag.
So we've got to travel from here to the storage yard, fill up the motorhome. Well, Diane's got to fill up the motorhome. So? No, I mean food, things like that.
Oh, with all the stuff?
Yeah, with all the stuff, there's clothes and things. No, it's already sat there with a full tank of fuel.
Yes,
I bought it when it was cheap last time I came back. Never mind. So yeah, we're going to head up there today, meet our friends. I'll try and film us putting up the order if he hadn't already got it up when I got there.
Oh, Simon's an expert, he knows.
Yeah, he does. See, she keeps interrupting on my vlogs, everybody. She keeps shouting and everything. You tell her to let Mark talk. Is that right, Diane?
What?
You keep interrupting me and they should let me talk, shouldn't they? Shouldn't you?
You get stuck, don't you?
I don't get stuck. What's she on about? Sun's out, look everyone.
Let's get you unstuck.
So hopefully it's going to be a nice day. I'm looking forward to it. 4 days away with some great people. Diane can stay here if she wants to. But hey, don't you tell her that lot, everyone. Alright? So yeah, lovely day. So I'm going to start getting ready in about 5 more minutes. Something like this, 5-6 minutes. So I'm going to get off from here. I'm going to let you lot go. And I'll get back to you in a bit. You lot take care.
Hello everybody. We've arrived at our destination and we're at Green Hills. Green Hills campsite in Bakewell. So yeah, we've come with some friends, but you'll see in the video later on. But I've just come back to the just been had a chat to them. Mark's fixing his, I don't know, he's doing something to do with the window wipers or something, I think he is. So anyway, it's a lovely place this is. We're going to go to the pub, I think, over there, just on site, not far, and have a look around. We've been here about a couple of hours now, but proper we're here for 4 nights, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, going back Bank Holiday Monday. So we'll have kind of show you a proper show around, because we're all going into Bakewell. I think it's tomorrow, because we're just chilling for today, having a look around, checking things out. So she's ready for her coat. I'm going to nip to store before I go. And Milo's over there with them. See you in a bit. Probably get them on video in a bit. Tra.
Hello everybody, look. I've got the Lord horse over there, the Lord horse there, look. So yeah, see what she did there, everybody. Yes, we've got the beautiful Vicky there. We're all just sat here, look. I'm not drinking. Everybody.
Yeah, we'll have a game with that salmon pool in there.
Great, yeah. There's all the amusements over there and everything, everybody. Yeah, I got me here. There's Simon, look. Hello, Simon.
Evening.
So
We're not drinking again.
we're not drinking. We're not alcoholics. These women, they drag us up the pub every time. Look. They do. Me and Simon just have Coke because we're sensible. Right, go get on because we're going to enjoy our drinks and we'll see you all soon. Yeah, hi everyone. Look, Diane's got a Blackpool hat on. Look. What do you think to that?
Kiss me quick, Catherine. Ain't got the writing on it.
But ain't got Kiss Me Quick on it, he hasn't, everybody. Right, we'll leave it there and get back to you all soon. Yeah, hi everyone, just back. We've been up to the club on site actually. We've been up there quite a few hours with some other people, some other friends of Simon and Colette's. They're actually right there next door to us. Look out that window. Yeah, we've had a cracking time with some great people. And we have. Tell you something, we'll give you a proper look around the site later on, obviously, in this video. But yeah, cracking site, this one. Flipping busy for a bank holiday, I'll tell you now. Flipping busy. Milo's jumping backwards and forwards because he's looking for his mum, because she's nipped next door. But yeah, been a cracking time. Here's Diane now coming in. So, here it is. So I don't know if my diesel heater's come on, everybody. Hang on, let's have a look. I think it's ramping up. Yeah, it's ramping up because cold air is coming out at the moment. But as soon as that gets going, trust me. So I'll go in and get us nice and warm in here. So there it is down there, look. So you can see it all, everyone, yeah. Right, gonna leave it there because we're gonna have a cup of coffee or tea or something, and we'll get back to you all soon. Take care, you lot. Hi everyone, yeah, we're back. Just having a cup of tea and what have you, aren't we, Diane? So,
I'm cold now.
Yeah, got the diesel heater on, so
It was warm outside of me. It was warm earlier.
yeah, it was. Sun's gone in a bit now, but like I said, we're hoping to go to Bakewell tomorrow, so we can give you a quick show round there as we can. We're going up to our friend's motorhome in a little while. We're just having a cup of coffee now, chilling out ourselves. Not that we're drunk or anything. No, Diane only had one drink in there.
I had 2 pints.
So yeah, 2. I had about 3. Simon had about the same.
It's not that. We
Colette's
keep
just
peeing all
drunk.
the time.
Yeah.
Keep getting up for a pee. But look, we're pissing all the time.
What's wrong with that, everybody, eh? But yeah, I was thinking I'll have to empty the toilet in the morning. Yep. So the amount we've had to drink tonight.
Simon left his keys, didn't he? Thought he left. Not bloody Simon. Thought he left his keys in the table, didn't he?
Yeah.
And there weren't, was there?
No, where were they?
On Vicky's pocket, weren't there?
Yeah. Vicky had picked his keys up and put them in the pocket for safekeeping and zipped it up.
Yeah.
And we didn't tell Simon, he'd run back in the pub looking for him, asking if people had found his keys. Well, yeah. Of course I'm going to tell him, because remember Simon went Skegness and I lost mine? Yeah. Now you lost yours. So we're quits on that one. Right. See you all.
You'd quits on that one, were you?
Sorry?
You'd never be quits with you, Mark.
Why not?
Well, you're always do something you do. What's the name?
Yeah. Right, everybody. We'll leave this there because we're going to go around in a bit and see our friends, and we'll get back to you all soon. Morning, everyone. Friday morning. Bank holiday. Diane, what are you making, Diane?
It's what's the name? Good Friday. I'm making bacon cobs for you.
Yeah. So, nice crispy bacon cobs. I just wanted to come on and say to you guys, we finally got the figures in for the 3 months of YouTube, and it came to £181, and it's kind of been made up to £200 by Simon and Colette. So thank you all. That's double what we would normally earn in that time to go towards the charity. As soon as I get the money in April, now the final bit, I will take it down. If nothing else, I'll get a receipt and put the receipt up here. I don't know if they'll allow me to film down there. As soon as we got that on arranged with my sister to go down there, I will try and put some figures up later in this video, maybe just after this bit, I don't know, showing you what we've earned. So yeah, but thank you to Simon and Colette for making up to £200. Really much appreciated. I was nearly crying last night when I realised how much we'd raised just through ad revenue, and it's thanks to you lot as well out there. We appreciate it so much, don't we, Diane?
Yes, we do.
We do, yeah.
Have you told them what charity it is?
Yeah, it's Macmillan's Nurses because of my mum, so yeah. If that pays for a couple of nights for somebody to have a nurse in there, that could be a lifesaver for somebody. So thank you everybody for viewing. Like I said, we didn't want your donations because we know everyone's struggling at the moment, but thank you. That's double what we would normally earn. Right, leave it here now then, because Diane's cooking me breakfast. Marley's chilling, look. Even he says thank you. So I'll try and remember to take a screenshot and put it up at the end of this video. So you lot take care, and we'll see you all soon. Yeah, hi everyone. Sorry this video is not as long as usual. We just wanted to do you a quick charity update while we're away. We will be getting back to normal vlogging. You've seen a bit of the site we're on in this one and who we've been with. We're going into Bakewell later today, so that's when the vlogging will really start. Like I say, we know this ain't a long one. I'm just waiting for my breakfast now. I'm going to try and make it about 15 minutes. Appreciate you guys watching. So, I don't know if it's going to rain today. Did you say it's going to rain, Diane?
Well, I was talking to a bloke when I was coming back from the show and he said the weather's changed. That's it's all down here, so I don't know.
I don't know. I don't know if it is or not.
It is later. He said
Tell you, I need a proper sat nav for this motor because when we were coming here, we came down this road and it was like just literally bends like that. One weird.
I was at the Fairview going on our horrible ride.
Yeah, got to the bottom and it was that steep. My brakes were steaming. They were smoking. They were.
Horrible.
Yeah. So luckily we made it down, but I ain't going back that way. I'm going back the way I know, which will be up through Matlock and out that way. So yeah, thank God for that. We made it in one piece, but I've got to get a proper sat nav. Hopefully a truck one for this. So hopefully it doesn't take us down flipping roads like that anymore. It doesn't. So I know, such a thing it was. Is my bacon ready yet, Diane? What's she taking the time at, everybody? Look.
It's not me, see, for this electric thing, what are you? Amp stuff.
This what?
The amp stuff, our hyders or something, isn't it?
I don't know. So, no, I don't.
Just wait a bit longer than what you do at home.
Yeah.
Don't you?
You do. Right.
How slow move.
Like you say, I just wanted to come on and do a charity update. It's going to be about 13-15 minutes this video. We do apologise for that. Travelling here yesterday was
We were busy yesterday and we was tired, weren't we?
yeah, and hopefully going forwards like today, we're going round Bakewell, we can do quality videos things like that, and hopefully get that one up. That'll have to go up for Saturday. Yeah. So, right. We'll leave this here because I think I've got about 13-14 minutes if I put everything together. So, see you all on the next one. Take care for now. Bye.
Oh yeah, ta! Gonna be snapping in a minute.
What's you like, everyone? You lot take care. Love you all.